So a lot of people want to become entrepreneurs. Some of them want to start building digital products. Some of them, they want to become freelancers and start offering services. Or either you want to become a product owner and you want to build a product where people can run their services. So regardless of what kind of businesses you want to do, deciding to become an entrepreneur or a business owner is not the final decision. The decision is to build that platform where you can be able to demonstrate your services or the skills that you possess that people can pay you for. And in this video, I am going to take you through the platform that you can go and build your own website, and then you can provide either your services or your product. So this will be a run over of the platform, so that when you decide which platform that you are going to use to build your own either services or portfolio, then you will be able to know what to do and how to go over this platform. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lablonde Kalalizi, and on this channel we learn all about digital skills that pay. So if you want to learn that digital skills that you can either offer a service and become a freelancer, or you can build a product, or you're just looking for a tool that can help you to minimize your work in a shortest period of time rather than doing something manually that can take you a long time, like 24 hours, something that you can do in 5 hours. So this channel is for you. So give this video a thumbs up ahead so that you not be able to forget. So the platform that I am going to take you through, I'm going to take you through Hostinger. What is Hostinger? Hostinger is a platform where you host your website, and then after taking you through Hostinger, I can log into my WordPress website and show you the dashboard of WordPress, so that when you decide to go and build that website, you will know what to do. And if you have already on a website, that is a good for you, because you can go now and start updating your plugins, your pages, your products, and this video will take you through everything. So once again, guys, allow me to go and share my screen. And the first things that we are going to do, I am going to log into Hostinger. So guys, if you do not have a website as yet, you do not have to worry. So that if you want to start creating a website and you are new to web design, don't hesitate yourself. I'll definitely show you what you can do and how to get started with your web designing or your web development journey. So I recommend Hostinger because Hostinger has 24/7 support. If you get stuck, these people, they help you sort out your problems in a shortest time of period. And you can also use it, like they give you a lot of services. So let's just go through the Hostinger and I will show you what they provide. So this is the platform. First of all, if you are new, you can just go to their pricing. I will leave my link in the description below, so you can just go and press that link. It will take you through these hosting platforms. And then this is actually the cheapest hosting platform that I have seen so far in the industry. There is a lot of other platforms out there, but I recommend this one specifically. First, it's very affordable. Secondly, they offer a 30-day money back guarantee. So even if you press the link in the description below, you are going to have a 30-day money back guarantee. If you do not love the platform, you can still go and reclaim your money back. But I can assure you that I have been using this platform for 5 years now, and so far this is where I host most of my clients' website, and you are going to love it as well. They also offer a 24/7 support. So if you get stuck, you can actually go and look on their website for support, and there will be someone in the back end who will be able to help you and sort out your problem. You can also cancel their subscriptions anytime. You do not have to get locked into a hosting platform that you do not love. You can actually cancel these hosting subscriptions whenever you want to. Secondly, check into their prices. So they offer like a $2.99 per month. You can get the business account for $3.99 per month. And if you have a larger business, you want to host a lot of things, like they give you to 7 $7.99. So you can just go and choose a best platform, a best subscription for you based on what you like. Like if you can see this one, the premium, this is like a basic. If you are hosting, you can create like up to 3 websites. You have like 15 AI website builders credit, 20 gig of storage for your file, 2 mailboxes for your website. That is free for 1 year guaranteed. I recommend this if you just want to build a portfolio for yourself, you want to demonstrate your skills out there. But if you are a small businesses and you want to host different services, you want to build product, you can go with the business subscription. Why? Because the business subscription allow you to create about 50 websites on this hosting platform. You have 30 AI website builders credit, 50 gigabyte of world's fastest NVM storage. So that is like a storage for you. You can upload different videos, you can upload your pictures, so you have a lot of storage, and it gives you 5 mailboxes per website, free for only 1 year. And then after a year you can be able to pay again for your mailboxes. So you have 5 manage node.js. If you are not a technical person, you really do not have to worry about all these things. And if you really have a bigger platform, you have started making money with your website, I can recommend you to go with the cloud startup storage, because it gives you first a lot of storage. You have 10 mailboxes per website, and you can upload as many things that you want. So since now we have checked into the pricing of Hostinger, the second thing that you can go and start sign up, like once you create your plan, you can go and sign up your account. But if you have signed up already, you have an account already, you can just go to my account and log into this platform. So I am going to take you through the Hostinger platform. What do you expect from Hostinger once you have logged in? First, you have a home page. So the home page, that is where you can see your domain name. Once you have you have paid for your hosting, you have created your domain name. So this is where you see your domain name and the website. So I have one website that is already hosted on this account, and this is netsoffit.sa.co.za, right? So this is actually your dashboard, your home page for Hostinger, right? So if you check here on the left side, this is like your account. You can go and check your account information, your security, account activities that you have done, your notifications if you want to put your notifications on. And here guys, you can change into different language that you want to see this platform into. So I can change here to French, and you can see that everything is going back into a French, but let's keep it formal in our English language as for the purpose of this video, right? Welcome to Hostinger panel, right? So the second thing, like, you can go to your website. So what is under the website? Under the website, that is where you see all the website that is hosted in your Hostinger account. And for now, we only have one website, that is netsoffit.sa.co.za, as I told you before. And then your WordPress, like you want to create a WordPress website, you do not have to worry when you hear a big name WordPress. A lot of people think that WordPress is so technical, they rather go and use AI to create a website rather than using a WordPress. Actually, I recommend WordPress because it gives you a lot of options. You can create customizable website without using, either you use AI, like you can build it according to how you want it to do. Like you can build it as you design it, like the way you want it from scratch. WordPress website give you that freedom to build what you want, the way you want it to look like. Other than AI, okay, AI you can use prompting to change colors, but it's really not going to give you that customization that you're looking for, or that freedom to make everything looks the way you want it to look to. So guys, so WordPress is not really that hard. You do not have to be really very technical by building WordPress website. If you are still new to this web designing thing, web development thing, and you want to use WordPress as your primary website building too, you do not have to worry. This channel is a good channel to stick around with, because very soon I am going to start my personal website, and I am going to show you step by step on how to create different pages, different posts, and many other things that you would like to have on your own personal website. So this is how this is where you see all the website that you have under our website. WordPress, if you have already WordPress account, you can go straight into your WordPress admin or into your dashboard through WordPress account in Hostinger. And then horizon, what is in here? So I think this is actually new. You can migrate a website here. If you have already a website, like you can see, we have one business hosting. We can bring a website that is somewhere else hosted in another hosting into Hostinger using this migrate button there, but you do not have to worry about that. If you are someone who really don't want to go with the hassle and you want to create a website using AI, I think this is a website builder for you. You can get started and start building your website here. And I think here there is AI that is integrated into it. You can use Hostinger AI to build your website as you go along with get starting. But I know it's really easy thing, but if you really want to take control of your own website, I recommend you go with WordPress. So if you have different domains, you can just go to a domain here, and this is where you see different domains that you have. So here we only have one domain. Again, as I've told you, is sa.co.za. That's the domain that we have, and you can come here and add a new domain or claim your domain. One thing that I forgot to tell you, once you buy a Hostinger hosting account, it gives you a free domain that you actually have to renew after a year. So you have a 1 year free access, and then after 1 year you are going to renew it, right? And then it gives you different emails. So once you have already created your domain name, you can come here and start building your emails. So I have different emails here, as I am having a business hosting. So I have free emails, free 5 emails account, and this is the like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So I have 5 free email mailboxes. These are just free for 1 year. I'm just emphasizing on this. After 1 year you have to renew your mailboxes subscription, so you have to pay for it. But 1 year, if you're really into business, you want to push your business, you want to build a service, you want to build a product, and you have 1 year to push through, so you can just use this 1 year that is like free to go and run that business, push the sales, so that once your 1 year has finished, you can come back and renew your subscriptions without worrying about payment, how you are going to settle it out, right? So this is where you see like your mailboxes, your forwarders emails. Create a forwarder. Let me say you want to forward all your emails that you have created into some other email, so you can actually build it here. So if you want also your emails to have like something else rather than your domain name, you can also create email alias here. That's how you call it, but it's all up to you. Catch all emails, like if you want to create your first catch all emails, like you want the mixture of all your emails to be in one. So I think it's something like that. If you want to create an automatic reply, Hostinger also allow you to do that. You can come here and create an automatic reply. If you are not available, someone send you an email and you're not available, you can create an auto reply that is sent to the sender. Domain settings, receive emails in your mailbox. So this is how you actually come and control your settings based on your emails. So this is just like your email settings, and you can come and play with it right here. Email logs, this is like what happens. It's giving you like the activities of your emails. When did you log into your emails? What happened when? So you have everything under control. everything under control. And if you are still new to Hostinger, like I assume most of you are still new to Hostinger, and you want to learn how to navigate through Hostinger emails, so they have these tutorials here. You can just come here and start reading through all these blog articles, how to access your emails under Hostinger. So you can learn a lot from their tutorial. So they have a lot of things that they offer, so you do not have to worry when you are using Hostinger. So that is all about emails in Hostinger. And then you have this called Reach. I'm not really sure what is this, but it say launch AI emails marketing campaigns. So you can create your marketing campaigns using AI in Hostinger. You can actually explore plans, so it's like another plan that you have to buy where you want to create emails marketing, host campaigns, AI emails templates, optimize opens emails, like you run again like your whole marketing platforms through your Hostinger. So you can see what it's saying. You have 500 subscribers, so you're actually building a mail list. You can have a free mail list, 500 subscribers per month, 200 emails. So you can try it for free for 1 year as well, but if you really wanna go through, you have like 3,500 emails per month that you need to send. So this is really a good tool, like email marketing in your own hosting account is really cool, that I haven't been navigating myself, but you can go and look for it. So this is VPS hosting, game panels. If you are into game and you have that technical background of self-hosting, like you can come and play with this. So we have AI agent here in Hostinger as well, so you can come and build your own agent. You know, so there's a lot happening in a Hostinger back end. So you can come and talk to your agent. If you want this agent to create a website for you, you can just come and chat with it, just the same way that you navigate through ChatGPT. So this will be like your web design assistant. So go and talk to that agent. It's called agent within the Hostinger back end, right? So your billing, this is where you come and see your subscriptions, what do you have in there, your payment history, if you want to change your payment method. So this is everything like that is in here. You can just come and change also your card, so that they not, if you want to change your card and use a different payment method, so you can just do that as well. So one thing about web hostings in Hostinger, I like this place where it's a marketplace. So this is where you can see every services that they have, like business emails, Hostinger Reach, everything, web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting. If you wanna host an agency, Node.js, if you are a developer and you're just gonna go with hard coding. So every tools that Hostinger have, Google Workplace emails, you will get it into their marketplace. And WordPress add-on, so you have different WordPress add-ons that you can click. I think most of these are for free because they work as plugins once you have already installed your WordPress. AI tools, so you have different AI tools like image generator, you can try it here for free, background remover, image upscalers. So you have different logo makers, different things that you can come and navigate through Hostinger, right? So you can come here and check everything that is in here. So this is most of the things that is within Hostinger. If you want to host your website and you are looking for a best website that a best website hosting, so come and look into Hostinger. Hostinger has very good tools. Good thing about it, you have 30 days money back guaranteed, and also you have 24/7 support, and it is free I mean, it's easily accessible. Secondly, like it's easy to use. You can just see the back end of this platform, how easy it is, what you can do, very different things that is offering, like, honestly. So come and build your website through Hostinger. I recommend it, highly recommend it. I've been using it for years and it's very easy to use. So guys, this is all about Hostinger. If you can go to your personal informations, you want to change your personal informations like your name, your address, your cell phone numbers, so everything, your password, you can just come here and do that for yourself. Okay, so now I am going to log into WordPress and show you the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to show you the WordPress dashboard. You're gonna create a website using WordPress, using Hostinger. You just go and log into your WordPress admin, right, or your WordPress dashboard. So now it's going to open into WordPress dashboard. So first of all, you can see the WordPress dashboard. So this is the home page. This is where you get a lot of information about your plugins that are already installed, right? So this is the plugins information that have been installed. Any updates that need to be done, you actually get it here, right? So once you have read all these things, you really do not have to go through all these things. What is this? Just go through everything. This site kit, this is like your Google thing that shows different analytics about your website, how people are visiting, your clicks. So we haven't really been marketing this website, but you can see different pages that we have, the engagement. Even though we haven't even really marketing it or anything, people are accessing it, people are coming into it. Like, you can just be sleeping and you can just see how people are navigating through this website. So we are using Astra is the theme of our website. So if you don't know anything about themes as yet, you do not have to worry, but Astra is the theme that I am using for this website. And we have Elementor. Elementor is also a plugin that we are using for a WordPress editing, so we use Elementor, right? So this is like your WordPress menu, right? So with Elementor you have different templates that you can use, but actually use different plugins for my website templates, right? So you can come here to pages. What includes into the pages is all the pages that are in your website. If you go to native.sa, don't see all those 8a, you can see this is our different menus that we have, different pages that we have, right? And then how do you navigate through these pages is through all pages, right? Once you go to pages and then you have all pages, this is where you'll see them. And how do you go about editing the pages that are already there? You can go with edit with Elementor. Why? Because I told you earlier that I am using Elementor plugin as my WordPress editing tool, right? So you can check all of it here and go with edit with Elementor. If you have already a website and you want to edit the content that is on your website, so I'm going to link a video in the description about where the video that I created about how to edit your content page on your WordPress website. So check it out, right? This is where you see the comments that people are commenting on your website post. You see, when you build a blog page, so you always have people commenting on your blog posts. So this is where you will see the comments that are coming in, right? So I have installed a WooCommerce plugin here. Why? Because I am building a shop on this website. If you go here through our ebook club, you can see that we have different bookstore here. So, and then this bookstore, we have different books that we are selling on this website. And you can see, guys, you can see that we have the whole store, a description of the book here. So if you are into healthcare and you are looking for a book in your health, digital health services, or any book that will help you, like, this is a good way for you, like epidemic preparedness through the lens of data integration in healthcare. So this platform, this website is a website for you to go if you are looking for a digital health books, right? So this is a WooCommerce plugins. We have different products here. So if you are looking into building an e-commerce platform, just stay with me in this website, because I am going to show you in my next video on how you can create your own shop on your own website. So guys, just like this video, subscribe on this channel, and keep an eye on this channel, because I am going to take you step by step on how you can create a skills that end. So stick around. And your payment integrations, this is how you can go and include your payment integrations. You can see I have added different payment plugins like Paystack, Payfast, PayPal, even your Visa acceptance. So different payment methods that are already included here. So in your appearance, this is where you see your themes, the themes that you are using. And here I've told you that we are using Astra, and what I want to do, I want to update it, because it was saying that it needs to be updated. So it has already been updated. So I am using Astra here, and you can see different themes. Come and see the design, customize this theme, and the plugins. This is where you see all the plugins that are already installed in this WordPress website. So different plugins that are already here. The ones that, how do you come to activate? You go and install a plugin, like add a plugin. If you are looking for any specific plugin, you come and search your plugin. For example, shop. If you just type shop, it's going to give you different plugins that help you to build a shop, like WooCommerce. Most of the shops are using WooCommerce. That is like a recommended plugin. Etsy shop, if you want to include your Etsy shop in your WordPress. One-stop shop for WooCommerce. So different shopping plugins are in here. Pinterest for WooCommerce. So just use WooCommerce if you are looking into the e-com platforms. That is the more recommended. So the install plugins, you can just come here and see the plugins that are already installed in your website, and just go through them. Make sure you understand the plugins that are in your WordPress website. Whether you are a technical person or you are not a technical person, understanding different plugins that your website are using is very important. Sometimes a plugin needs to be updated and you're not aware of that. You can just come here maybe 3 days, after 3 days, or once a week. You just select all plugins, and then what you're going to do, you can update. You can come here and update, because some of these plugins, they need to be updated either on a weekly basis, just to keep your website running. You understand, right? So here, this is where you see all users. So your website, you can either add different users. The users can either be administrators, they can be editors, they can just be viewers who are contributing to your WordPress website. So you can give user roles. So if you are building a platform, for example a shop, and you want all your buyers to be able to register in your platform before they purchase a product or a service, so you can also add user roles in your own website here. So that also comes to a e-learning platform, like when you have different students in your platform and you want them to create their own accounts before they access a course. So you can also come here and add user roles for those students. So add user, you can just come to add user, and you are going to put their details here, and you'll be able to create a user. So settings, you can just come into settings, give into settings and see the general settings of your website. So what is here, just make sure you do not mess up anything here. So that is actually most of the things. Maintenance mode, I have a maintenance mode plugins when I am actually building this website and I want people to see maintenance mode and do not see the active things that is going on in the back end. I come here to the maintenance mode. You actually have to add or install a maintenance plugin before you do that. And what do I do? This is maintenance mode. Is really easy to use. You just have this button where you put on and off and then save changes, and then your website will either be in a maintenance mode or it will be actively running. So what else you have to do? You have to go to customize. For example, customize, if you want to customize your WordPress, you know, like change colors, change fonts, everything that you need to change, you can go to customize. Once it loads, I'm going to show you what happens there. And then the menu, this is where you add your menus on your WordPress website. So your menu, what does happen, you can see if you come here, we have a home page, services, about us, ebook club, telehealth, and contact. So this is where you add them. So you come here, you select whatever that you want to be on the menu, and then you put it there. So you can see you put it in order, so you can actually drag and drop, depends on how you want it to show on your website, like home page, service page, about us, ebook, telehealth. So you can come and drag and drop to select whatever you want to be in the menu. If you want some different posts to show also, you can also do that. So make sure you have primary menu and off canvas menu. Off canvas menu is the menu that you see on your mobile phone, and the primary menu is the menu that you see on your desktop. So that is actually most of it during this tutorial on how to navigate your Hostinger account and how to log into your WordPress account. If you have gained value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.